Friends, here is a video on marigold flowers. These marigold flowers are very useful for decorating school projects, school bulletin board, charts, quilling projects like nameplates, photo frames, gift boxes and many more things. Do make your own marigold flowers and keep it handy for a quick decoration when needed. Friends, let's take the full sheet of orange crepe paper, open it up and fold it again as shown. With the help of zigzag pattern scissor, cut the edges. Now measure 1 inch from the edge, mark it and cut the paper into 1 inch strips. Similarly, measure and cut 2 such paper strips. We need 2 strips to make 1 flower. Now let's take a 6-inch needle and thread and sew the crepe paper strips through it as shown. Once we finish with the first paper strip, sew the second paper strip too. Maintain equal distance while sewing. Now let's hold the paper at the bottom and twist the folds around the needle in a clockwise pattern. As we can see, this method will open up the folds on the crepe paper and give it a fuller look. Once done, pull down the crepe paper from the needle onto the string and tie it as shown. Spread up the folds if it is wound up too tight. Trim the extra string off after tying 2 or 3 knots. Adjust the paper so that the knot is not visible. Here we have finished making the outer petal side of the orange marigold flower. Similarly, let's prepare a flower with a yellow crepe paper. Now let's prepare the inner petals and the calyx of the flower. Let's take one orange strip, fold it and cut fringes on it as shown. Taking a 4 cm long straw or a refill, apply glue on the refill and wind the paper strip around it. We need only half of the strip here. Next, take a green paper strip, fold it in half and wind these two on the refill as shown. Wind the green strip as thick as the orange one. Now taking another green strip, stick it in between, covering both the earlier strips. Keep it aside to dry. Once dried, place it inside the flower made earlier and secure it with glue. Let's see the same procedure for the yellow flower. Here we have finished making the yellow and orange marigold flower. These paper marigold flowers are very useful for making latkans, torans, bandarwars, flower decoration or rangoli. Now let's prepare a latkan from these marigold flowers. Taking the needle and thread, attach a bell at the end of the thread. Now pass the needle through the flowers as shown. As we had used refill inside the flowers, it makes it easy to pass the needle and also aligns properly in the center. Instead of the bell, we can also attach big metal tea light diyas too. Friends, thank you for watching the video. Do like, share, subscribe and comment.